No. Make it loose. Now it's loose. Remove and secure chain. Chain removed and secured for reinstallation. Remove 2 support bolts. 1, 2. Track removed and secured. Remove, retain, remember wiring. Wiring removed. Remove support bolts and nuts. 1, 2. Old garage door opener removed. Let's install the new one. Install side bolt mounts first. Install chain second. Install track bolts third. That way you can have enough slack when moving the motor to reinstall the chain onto its sprocket. Reinstall wires to kept location. Tighten chain. I had to loosen it to the full extent. Tighten back up. When setting up the remote, you hit the yellow button. It'll flash or turn yellow, whatever it does. Push the button on your remote control. That syncs the two. Then you're gonna have to program the up and down with these buttons. You push the button, it'll tell you to go up. You go up till it goes up. Where you want it to stop, you let go. Push the button. You do it again going down to where you want it to close. Then it'll do it again, and then it's programmed. And that's all you got. Easy, easy, easy. If you're incompetent, do not do this by yourself. If you are competent, I think you can do it. I had to replace the mounted push button as well. The old style wouldn't open the door, so now the remote and the push button work. Push button. Remote. Thank you for watching, and be careful.